Okay, are you guys ready for something different? It's still paper crafting. It's okay. um, I'm sure you guys have noticed I haven't done much videos. I'm not feeling the mojo. I'm not feeling creative. But what I did do was I kind of started doing some diamond painting. Madison and I purchased a kit from Michael's with a coupon just to try it and see what it was like. We both loved it. It's like doing a puzzle, but to me it's faster than a regular puzzle because you know where the piece goes. You know where the color goes. You know where to put it. You know what color to use. You don't have to play around and try and see where it fits. So it's really cool. We ended up buying a second kit for Jonathan and I helped him with it, and then went really crazy and bought myself a huge, and it's all Diamond Dots, the same brand that Michael sells. And we have a Mary Maxim Crafts here. It's like a yarn and craft store. It's just a small one here in London. The big one is in Paris, Ontario. But those are the only places that we can buy diamond painting, like go in the store, buy it, take it home. Everything else is online. So I bought myself this huge kit. It's called Selfies, and it's the cats and dogs and birds and bunnies making funny faces like they're taking a selfie picture. And I got it done super fast because I was totally addicted. I swear I stayed up until like midnight, 1 o'clock most times just to sit there and do it, and had the TV going or YouTube going just for something to do. And these are all the extras that I have left from the kits. So yeah, I did one kit and I already have my own little toolbox. I'm crazy, I know. So these are all the extras, and I thought, wouldn't this be cool to use these in my paper crafting? So the first thing that I thought of was Waffle Flower. Waffle Flower has these cross-stitch stamp sets that are adorable. I have the cactuses, and then this one is the Frosted Pumpkin Stitchery? Stitched Roses. Sorry. Frosted Pumpkin Stitchery must be the brand of stamps. And then this is Stitched Cacti, and this is Stitched Roses. And as you can tell, I've never used the Stitched Roses, not yet. But it's not going to work for this project because the size of the cross stitch in the picture is too small on the roses. So I have to use the cactus. So I'm going to do all of this with you. This is me experimenting with my leftover diamond painting diamonds. I just thought this would be really cool. So, first thing first, I'm going to move this off to the side. And the other thing is I thought of was I have this die cut that I bought off of eBay, which is a embroidery hoop. So, hello. So I die cut this stitched scallop from just regular white Nina paper. And, I decided what colors I'm going to use. For this one I'm going to use blue and green. I have to make sure that I have enough of the color that I want to use to go with the stamped image. So unfortunately that's the one thing that I have to kind of look at right now. So I'm just going to find some ink colors to match. The ink doesn't really matter because you're not going to see it, but in case you do, you want something that somewhat matches. Actually, I'm going to go a little lighter with that one. There we go. Okay, so this is going to go on after, but I want to know where it's going to go for my stamped image. We're just going to stamp one at a time. Let me just check and make sure I'm in frame. Bring it a little closer for you guys. Okay. Just kind of center it up there. This is the main image of the large cactus. So I'm going to do this in the green. down. And then we're going to line up the inside. There you go. Take that out of there now. We're going to use our blue. It's a little off, but again, you're not going to see it. It's just a guide. Okay. We don't need that anymore. Don't need this. Just need these, and I do have a couple trays here. My drill pen. I am using Art Glitter Glue because it has the nice little tiny nozzle. I'm gonna zoom in here for you guys. And I'm just gonna start on the side over here, and all I'm doing is putting a tiny dot of glue in the middle of the cross stitch. Oops. And then I'm going to place my diamond in there. I hope you guys can see through my fancy grip. There. So you can see that the diamonds just line up right on top of the cross stitch mark, and you just have a tiny thing. So I'm going to stop and then start recording again so I can speed up me gluing all of these down there. Okay, now there is my cactus. You can see it's all diamond painted and it's all sparkly, which is the main thing I love about diamond painting. And what I've done is I've taken my embroidery hoop, I cut out one piece of chipboard and one piece of craft cardstock, and I'm going to glue it down on here. You just get some glue. I know I'm off camera with the glue, but I'd rather you guys wanted to see the beautiful diamonds. Oh, my hand is so shaky. Okay. So, I want to get this nice and centered. Go. And to kind of dress up my cactus, I have these little cupped flower sequins. I'm going to find a nice bright pink one here. Just little tiny ones. And I'm just going to add some glue in here. So my cactus has a little flower on it. Just going to add some glue in the middle. This stuff dries clear, so there we go. So then I can put this on the front of a card. Alright, so I do have another one that I had done up. This one I did on an angle, and I used a little bit of different colors. This was the lighter greens, and I added a little light pink flower, and then I just added in the sentiment that says, "Sorry, I was so prickly." Okay, so I'm going to get these on a card. And that's it. So there's an idea for you guys to use up some of your extra drills from your diamond painting. Hope you enjoy. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.